Hi everybody, this is Dr. Sanchez from the Family Practice Center. Got to fix my tie to go on video just for you guys. And thank you for attending this little short video. I want to talk a little bit of the winter season. For some reason, we get a lot of sick people in winter. And it starts in fall. That's when a lot of the viruses start causing infections. Why? I have no idea. But people get sick in winter, and then there's another time of the year where they get sick. Also, I think in spring or May, around there, they start getting sick. But viruses do that. So what can you do to avoid getting very sick this winter? First of all, the easiest thing is to get the flu shot, because the flu syndrome, influenza is a correct name. Influenza is can be a very serious infection. It still kills about anywhere from 20 to 30,000 people every year, sometimes more, sometimes less. So it's important to vaccinate. Immunize yourself. You hear a lot of stories that we don't want to immunize because it can cause this, can cause that. Most of those things are not true. Okay. In all my years of giving injections for 20, 30 years at least, we've never had one single bad reaction. Some people say, well, when I get a flu shot, I get sick. I get the cold. You know, I've researched that as well, and the experts say that's not possible. These are dead viruses. It's not really a live vaccine, so why should you get sick? So probably those are coincidences. But in any case, what you do not get is influenza. Influenza can be very serious, okay? I have patients that have been in the hospital for months, intubated with a tracheostomy in the ICU as a result of developing the complications of influenza. So please, the easiest thing is get your flu shot. Second thing we need to do, if you're over 65, you should get your pneumonia vaccine, because still one of the most common cause of death that is not heart, most of like infection, it's pneumonia. That's one of the major causes of death. So please get your pneumonia vaccines as well. They're very safe. All this stuff is safe. Okay. Now, for general advice, stay warm, of course, if it gets very cold. Take vitamin C on a daily basis. Some people say it helps. Some researchers do not believe it, but it doesn't hurt. And since we don't eat well, we don't eat enough fruit and veggies and things like that, take the vitamin C. 500 milligrams a day is good. And vitamin D. Now, we know that vitamin D boosts your immune system. So it is also good to take vitamin D. How much? 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 units a day. That'll boost your immune system as well. And don't get close to people that are sick. Okay, that's one of the easiest way to stay healthy. In other words, to not develop the flu infection or even other respiratory infections. And the most common way that flu is transmitted is by our hands. So wash your hands. If you touch somebody, shake someone's hand, wash your hands often so that you don't get those germs that cause infection. That's it for today. Do those things and you'll be happy this winter. Thank you.